Today we'll learn how to start a new project. First, click on the Create New Project button on the top right-hand corner of your project list and name your project. After you click Apply, you will enter the project map screen. Click the back button at the top left portion of the screen to return to your project list. Use the search bar on the top left to find your desired site address. On the top right portion of the screen, you can switch between imperial and metric units as well as currencies. Zoom in to reveal the parcel data. If there's any data missing, please contact us to request it. To select a parcel, simply click on it. Clicking the same parcel again will unselect it. If adjacent parcels are available, use the plus button to expand the selection. When you pick a parcel that's not adjacent, the most recently selected one becomes an active parcel. You can draw site boundaries on your own as well. Select Draw Site Boundary, then left-click to create nodes and connect them. Close the shape by right-clicking or clicking the first node. Use Ctrl-Z to undo the last point and edit freely after finishing. Once drawing is complete, you can freely edit the shape. After selecting your site, you will find various regulation settings. All settings here are optional, so if you don't want to input any regulations, you can finish your project setup right away. You can designate street edges on the boundary to optimize street access. Click on Apply to all edges to set the same value for your setbacks. To input edge-specific setbacks, click on the edge value you want to change and add secondary setbacks for additional setbacks for residential floors. Define height limits or leave them as unknown. Enter required parking stalls by use type, adding or removing rows as needed. You can redefine the site boundary anytime after the project setup is complete. And that's it. Your project is ready for the next step.